want to share with you 5 weird ways that you can make money. Now, whenever I say weird, I mean unconventional. Let's get started. Hello, my name is Josh from JustFrugalMe.com, and welcome to another video. If you're looking for ways to save, make money, and enjoy life on a budget, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell, and that way you don't miss anything. What if you could make more money by doing things that's interesting or unconventional? I am going to tell you 5 weird ways that you can make money. Let the countdown begin. Number 5, sell your poop. Yep, you heard me right. Sell your poop. Your feces are perhaps one of the greatest untapped monetary resources. Thanks to a nonprofit organization called Open Biome, you can cash in to the tune of $13,000 every single year while saving a life at the same time. Stool donations are used for research, but for also patients who are in need of fecal transplant. If you are serious about selling your poop, consider Open Biome. To be eligible to join the registry and start the screening process, donors must meet the following criteria. You must commit yourself to donate at least 4 times per week for a 60-day period. Be between the ages of 18 and 50 years old. Have a BMI less than 30. And I'm going to drop a link down below so you can calculate your BMI today. And you must have not traveled outside of the US, Canada, Europe, and Australia in the past year. Number 4, become a test subject. If you don't mind being poked and prodded at, this may be the perfect gig for you. Be prepared, though, to fill out a lot of paperwork about your medical history. Research studies are an easy way for you to make money. It's not uncommon for people to make thousands of dollars. To find these studies, I would recommend clinicaltrials.gov, which is operated by the U.S. National Library of Medicine. Basically, this website will list all of the medical studies in the United States. And I'm going to drop a link below. If you decide to take this route, make sure that you do your research on all of the risks that may be involved with the procedure that you're signing yourself up for. I mean, you don't want to wake up growing horns. But all jokes aside, do your research. Number 3, can't get enough of burgers, steak, seafood, and sushi? Why don't you try dog food? Dog food companies want your little pup to be excited about their brand, which is why some dog food companies will pay human testers to test their product. And they do exactly what it sounds like. You will get paid to try dog food. Wet, dry, fancy homemade varieties, you get paid. You can make up to $50,000 every single year. You might want to do your friends and family a favor. If you decide to eat dog food for a living, brush your teeth. Number 2, sell your friendship. Have you ever met that one person out there and your first thought is, gosh, they need a friend? We all know that one person. Renting a friend, believe it or not, is a thing. There are people who are willing to rent themselves for all type of reasons. Rentafriend.com claims that you can make up to $50 on their platform. Just think about the benefits. You get free meals, free concert tickets, free movie tickets. You get to go out for free. The person will cover your expenses. Don't worry. Rentafriend.com says that this is a solely platonic friendship website only. That means no hanky-panky involved. Before heading to number 1, and if you're looking for ways to save, make money, and enjoy life on a budget, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell, and that way you don't miss anything. Coming in at number 1, Pimp Out Your Dog. Hold on. Before you start leaving all of these hate comments in the section below, hear me out. I'm not talking about breeding your dog because that's wrong, and in some cases that's even illegal. But running a dog kissing booth at a festival can make you some money. Dog kisses typically are done to raise money for animal rescue groups, but who knows? Your little dog's slobbery kiss may just make you some serious cash. Think about it this way. You can get $1 per kiss and put your little dog to work at the kissing booth. But I wonder, would your dog have to be cute for this to work? So my question to you is, have you ever tried some interesting, non-conventional, weird ways to make money? I would love to read them in the comment section below, and I'm pretty sure there are other people who might be inspired by your testimonial of other ways that you can make money outside of what I just listed here today. Please leave those in the comment section below. But remember, keep it legal because this is like a public forum. Remember that being frugal is not about being cheap. It's about being resourceful. Have a great day.